So today we're going to be making my slime a better texture, so it like stretchier and everything, because it is hard. So let me just pause the video so I can get the ingredients that we need. Guys, okay, so the stuff that we were gonna need is a bowl. So you can use your water, and it can be a cup, a bowl, whatever. And these, it can have hot water in it and your mom will let you. And a towel, so, or a paper towel or whatever, so it won't get on whatever you are on. And your slime. So this is my slime color. It's stretchy and everything, but the texture is kind of hard. You see, if I go like that, it will actually, the glitter will fall down also. So that's one thing. And you're gonna need your hot water bowl so you can put it in there and everything. Well, unfortunately, I have this over here, so I can leave it. I can put hot water in here, like pour the hot water, and then pour my slime with it. So let's get started with the video. So yeah. Okay, guys. So this is where I'm gonna get my hot water from the bathtub. So let me just put you guys. So yeah, and then let's go ahead and get some hot water in our bowl. Okay, so while we're waiting for the hot water to get on, let's talk about the slime. How it has color good. This is making beautiful. And it has glitter and sparkle. You guys can see it's on the sweater. And you guys can see it has glitter. So I think we got hot water already. Yep, we did. Okay, so my hot water is right here. It's super hot, guys. It's super hot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out my slime and put it over here. See, guys, I touched the hot water and then I touched my slime. It was like getting sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some hot water in here. Hopefully it doesn't make a mess. It already did. Then, so I got that in the hot water. See, guys, like right now I've got a mess. So that hot water is there. Now we're gonna go ahead and dip our slime. And we're gonna go ahead and leave it there for a second with the cap. So this is how it looks like. It's in there. And we're gonna leave it for like 25 seconds. Okay, so let's count to 25 seconds. Okay, guys, so it has passed 25 seconds. So let's go ahead and get this out. Oh my god, okay, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour the hot water in the bathtub, because we don't want our thing to still have hot water on it. So what we're gonna do, let's put it in the bowl that we had our hot water first. Even though that's our bowl over there for this. So you see how it's getting kind of sticky on my hand? You can tell and everything. See, like, look. See, like, yeah, like that. And that's fine with me. That's kind of how I want it though. But I don't want it like, oh my god, like sticky. Yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and play with it. I can tell it's getting firmer, like more stretchier. Ow. That hurt. Okay. So yeah, this kind of worked a little. I'll rate it a I'll rate it a 6 or 5. 5 to 6, whatever that one number. Yeah. So let's go ahead and try the next one. The next one is going to be with shampoo. So let's go get a shampoo. Go ahead and dry our bowl. So you can put our slime. Okay, so for this ingredients, you're going to need the same stuff. But we're getting a new ingredient. Shampoo, of course. So let me just get my shampoo. Shampoo, right? Yeah, so we don't have a lot of it. It's this one. We're going to try to see if it works. Okay. They say that cold water makes it possible, but I don't really agree with that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to get our bowl, this one. We're going to put some shampoo inside. I hope this comes out though. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming, guys. It just doesn't have that much. I'm probably go get my mom's, okay? I'll give it you real quick. Okay, guys, she does not have shampoo either. Wait, I'm gonna have to buy some today though. Okay, so let's just. Let's see it. Okay, so this is all I have barely. So it also says to put some hot water inside. So we're gonna go get hot water. It's just a baby. And then we're just gonna mix it with our hands around. Because right now I'm too busy to go get a spoon. And then while you're done, you are going to get your slime, which is so sticky right now. And you're going to pour it in there, and you're just going to keep playing like it, like when you normal play with it and stuff, poking it and all that stuff, you know. I'm just going to play with it like that. And